What's up, guys? Trust you're all doing great. Let me see in the comment section below. We are doing great. Alright, guys. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a simple HCA solutions logo. Let's quickly dive into the computer. Let me show you how to do it. So quickly open your Photoshop. Open your Photoshop right here. And now create a new background. A new sheet by holding Control N to create a new sheet. Now change the width to 297 as the width and the height to 150, and change the pixels to millimeters. Change from pixels to millimeters by typing 297, and change the resolution to 300 resolution. So we got our width to be 297 and the height to 150, whilst our pixels is changed from pixels to millimeters. So let's quickly change our untitled one to HCA logo. So we can now press click on OK to accept it, and now we got our sheet right here. So quickly unlock the background. The background is locked right here. The background is locked. So double click right here, or any place right here. Double click there, and now it's gonna pop up a new layer 0. So we can rename it to background and press on OK. So we got our background right here as a layer, as a new layer. So what are you going to do? We are going to change our background by using a gradient overlay effect. So double click on this white box right here, this white rectangular box. Double click right there. It's gonna show a layer style box. So click on gradient overlay right here. Click right here, and now change from style. Leave the gradient as black and white. That's cool. Change your style, your linear style, to radial. Change from linear style to radial. Click right here, radial, and now change the angle to -150, -157. Yeah, -157 is cool. And now click right here on the reverse. Click the reverse right here and increase your scale to 150 by dragging this tiny arrow. Drag it right here to get to 150, or you can easily type 150 right here. Boom, you got it. So after doing this, just click on OK right here to accept it. Now we have our nice background. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so now quickly select your type 2. Click on the T right here to activate your horizontal type 2, or you can just press on T, letter T on the keyboard to activate it. Click right here, test 2, and now you can click on your background and start typing. So type HCA, Control A to select all, and now change your font to ethnocentric. I know a lot of people do not have this particular font, so I'm going to leave a link in the description, in the video description, for you to easily click to download the font right there. So change your size, change the size to 165. Is pretty cool. To 165, press on the correct sign or hold Control plus Enter to accept it. Now you can press on your V key on your keyboard to activate the move to, or you can click right here to activate the move to. So you click, you drag right here. Now our text is not centered, so what are we going to do? As our HCA logo is activated or it's selected, hold Ctrl A to select all the background and click right here. Click right here, the vertical center, and click right here, the horizontal center, and it was centered. So Ctrl D to deselect, and now we have our HCA logo. But this looks pretty ugly, so we are going to add some silent effect on it. So right click right here, right click on your HCA text right here, right click there and click on retrieve type. Click retrieve type, click right there, and now we got it as an image. So quickly select your rectangular marquee tool, or by pressing M on your keyboard, select your rectangular marquee tool, and now select the H logo, the H text. Hold Control plus Shift J to cut the text, or we select RC logo, right click, and now click on layer V cut. Layer V cut is known as, sorry, if you click on your layer V cut, it gives you this option: could not make a new layer from the selection because the selected area is empty. Yeah, that's true, because our layer 1 is selected. That's why we can't select, or we can't cut or crop this particular C text. So we go back to our HCA right here, then we right click right there and click on layer V cut, and boom, it will cut. So now we have our H and we have our C and the A right here, so we can quickly rename them as H, C, A by double clicking them to activate it. So we have HCA, select your C text, click on your V to select the move to, or click right here to activate the move to, and now drag by holding Shift to drag in line, drag it inside the H, drag it inside the H a little bit, and now you can leave it. And now select your A text right here and drag it right here. So we got something like this. So select your C text, click on your C text right here, and now hold Control and click right here to select the C text. Click on your select right here, go to modify and click expand. Click on expand, and now increase from 1 pixels to 10 pixels and press on OK. And now we got our selection expand. So quickly select the H text, and now you can delete by pressing on delete on your keyboard, and now it's deleted. As you can see, we have a tiny space right here in the H, so we can control D to deselect it, and now we have a silent scales right here. So Control 0 to fit page, Control plus 0 to fit page. So now let's quickly select our text tool, or press T on your keyboard to activate it, and now press right here, anywhere here, and type solution. Control A to select all. Now decrease your select to let's say 16%, sorry, to 16 is too small, so 20 is pretty cool. Enter, Control plus enter to activate it. Now once your selection is selected, click right here on your character, click there and increase the VA. Let's increase the V. Click on your move tool, drag right here, and now let's increase it a little bit. Too much backward. So this is cool. So increase your VA to 1980 to get the exactly size right there. So we got our solution, HCA solution. So let's quickly apply some silent effects on it, and now we got it. So click on your H and hold Shift and click on your A text to select the HCA, and hold Control plus G to group it, Control plus G to group it, Control G to group it. So quickly click on your FX, as in add layer star, click right there and click on bevel and emboss. Click right there, bevel and emboss, and now increase your depth to 125% and increase the size to 24 is pretty cool, and your soft to 2 pixels. Yeah, that's cool. And now reduce the opacity to 35%. Boom, we got it. From there, click on your outer glow layer effects. Click right here at outer glow, click on outer glow, and now increase the opacity to 90%, and now increase the size to 114 pixels, and increase the spread to 5%. Now change the color right here, change the color, click right here, and now select white, drag through to the edge, you get white background, and now click on OK, and now you can click on OK right here. So we got something like this. Now quickly check the video description below. I'm going to leave the image that we are going to use for this logo. So I've already downloaded mine, so click on file, open, go to desktop, and yeah, that's it. You got it right here. Double click on it, and now right click right here, duplicate layer, and now the document change to HCA logo, and now press on OK. So we got our image right here. Control T to free transform, then increase your image a little bit to cover the logo right here. Send to the top. Now you can press on enter to allow, and now hold your alt key, and click right here, clip the image inside the group 1, clip it inside. So you click right here and it's all clipped. So we got our HCA logo wall design. So let's quickly change the solution background. Click, select on the solution, click right here on your FX, click on the drop shadow. Now we got our shadow. Increase your opacity, or change the opacity percentage to 75, the distance 5 pixels, spread increase to 8%, the size should be 10%. Now click on your gradient overlay right here, click on the gradient overlay, double click right here, and now change this color. Double click on the black color right here, double click, and now select a color right here on the background. Click right here to select the background color, the blue color. Press on OK, increase it a little bit, and now press on OK right here. So let's change our angle. Let's increase our angle a little bit. So reduce or increase your angle to 87 and increase the scale a little bit. So increase your angle to 87 and leave the scale to 100%. And now you can click on OK to accept. Boom. So we got our HCA logo well designed. It's really look pretty cool. So let's quickly save our work as PSD file and save it as an image as well. So let's quickly save our work. Click on file right here, save as. The name is already there, HCA logo. We save it as the same PSD file as Photoshop format. Click on save on your desktop. Okay, it's loading, saving 0%, and now boom, it's saved. Click right there again, click on save as, change the format to JPEG right here, click on JPEG right here, and now you can save your work. Okay, so now we got it right here, still loading. Boom, we got our work right here. So we got a nice HCA solution logo. So guys, this for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't feel hesitate to leave a comment, ask questions in the comment section, and don't you subscribing to this channel will boost me. Any time we post a new video, you're going to get a notification, and you get straight to it. So subscribe to this channel so that anytime we post a new video, you get in touch. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye, and enjoy your day. Have a nice day guys. Bye.